It's time for self-assessment. It's time to write down the call. It's time to make your boss believe you're really 10 feet tall. You can walk on Lake Superior, leap over the Eiffel Tower, plug St. Helens with just your thumb before your morning shower. And I know this seems so brand new, too easy, too good to be true. I can promise you I can customize it and still make it work for you. You can claim you're a ballerina, so explain you're so uncouth. I can show you how to spin it, I can show you how to weave it so it still ends up smelling like truth. You can bake a donut and claim you raised dough for Operation Feed, and throw in a few words like United Way and your promotion is guaranteed. And I will gladly teach you how to pull the wool over fall. It'll take just an hour to do it. Make love or nothing at all. 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 Every time I see another boring ride of tears streaming through the lids of my eyes, an opportunity that is lost forever for me to do a rewrite. The success of my scam, I'm in team defense on getting sucker story clients like you. You can ignore those that just waiting and flip. All you need to know are just my career tips. I've got to market it, I need to make some dough. I'll make nothing till I sell it to you. You can finally get off the basement. You can take your red stapler with you. You can back the penthouse office and your colleagues bring you coffee, sending people in the elevator queue. You can take this now or never, a bandwagon for you to jump on. And your promotion is never indoor fancy, doing all this without spending your brain or your brawn. But the chances you'll make this without me are the chances of a hell snowball. Let's work in a meeting room in Plaza 3, making stuff for the nothing at all. Or 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 the nothing at all.